Children, now it's time for vocabulary building. First of all, sentence. For a meaningful sentence, what are the requirements? The basic requirements are a subject, a verb, and an object. For example, teacher teaches in the class. Who is doer here in the sentence? Teacher. Therefore, teacher is subject. Teaches is her action word, therefore this is verb, and in the class is object here. Children, yesterday I told you that a word can be used at different places and in different forms of parts of speech in a sentence. Today again I am going to make few sentences for you with a word confidence and its other forms. So let's begin with the first word, confidence. Children, confidence is a noun. Now see the example. It takes time to build confidence when you are learning a new skill. Confidence here in this sentence is a noun. See the second example which I am going to make with confident. Confident is an adjective. Palak was confident about her result. What was Palak? She was confident. Being confident is quality of Palak here, and therefore it is modifying Palak, and therefore it is an adjective. Next sentence is with confidently. Confidently is an adverb. She stepped confidently on the stage and began to speak. How she began to speak? Confidently. And began to speak is action word here. And confidently is adding meaning to the verb, which is adverb. We all know that adverb means adverb modifies a verb, and here confidently is modifying the verb in the sentence. Therefore this adverb confidently is adverb here in the sentence. Next is confidential. Confidential is again an adjective. He will not reveal the confidential information about the firm. What he will not reveal? Information. Which information? Which is very confidential. Therefore, this confidential is an adjective in the sentence. Now see one more and last example in which you can find all the forms of confidence in different you will find confidence in different forms here in the sentence. Mr. Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, is very confident. His confidence reflects when he says, "We will bang again after Corona." He takes decision very confidently, even on confidential issues. So children, in this sentence, you will find all the different forms of confidence and at different places it is used. So this is all for today. Thank you.